So today we are going to start our build, and the application we are going to start building today, it's a web application that would allow people to generate contract agreements, right? So and we would implement some features. So we're going to use ChatGPT to iterate or to ideate, right, for it to give us some features that we can add to the application. And yes, so this was triggered, if you recall, last year I had a study, and it was how young people all over the world are building web applications, even using AI tools, right? Making millions of dollars. So I learned, and I want to also try. Yeah, I want to try how easy these things can be, or can look, right? So this is going to be from a non-technical perspective, right? I'm not going to code. I'm not going to add any code. I'm not going to code myself. I'm going to use only AI tools to build these applications from start to finish, right? So I'll also be updating, and yes, I'll be using lovable.dev, both a new and our own coding platform also that we are building, right? So right now we are going to start by heading over to ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT, look at what the application that we want to build, and wants you to give us some features that will make application standard, right? The standard from any other application similar to that in existence already. So that's what we are going to do right now. So we'll head over to ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT. So I'm using the premium ChatGPT. So I'm using the premium ChatGPT, and I'm going to use this O3 model because it has the most advanced listening model. So that is what I'm going to select, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT that, first of all, I will say act as an expert in web app development, right? I want to build a progressive web app that will allow people to generate contract agreements and no, with the ability to sign digitally, right? Digitally. Give me all the features that will make my app to stand out from similar apps that is in existence. So click on enter. GPT is gonna think, and it's going to give us most of the features that we'll be integrating in this web application. right? So these are most of the features. Then after this, what we are going to do next is to copy all these features, all these features. Then we're going to save it in a doc, right, in a doc file. And you come here, let's create a new doc. So this is where we'll be picking most of the features that we'll be integrating into the application. Then you copy it, copy all the features, right? Then you go here, paste it. So
have developed has helped us develop all the requirements, all the plans, and the development documentation. So what we are going to do is we are going to the, draw the app flow, right? How the app is gonna work, and yeah, the user flow or app flow. So this is what I've done here, right? So on the app, if you just enter the app, yeah, you land on the landing page, right? Yeah, this landing page is where you have login and sign up, right? Then about the apps, like some write-ups on the landing page about the app, right? Then after that, if you register and login, right? The next place you land is on the app itself, on the app homepage, right? Yes, on the app interface, right? So this will be the sidebar, to the collapsible sidebar. This one is sidebar, so a nav bar. So now um this sidebar will have dashboard, my contracts, this all the contracts that's being generated, right? And it will have okay, yeah. This one will be the contract generation interface, right? Legal doc invoice. Now I'm trying to see I wanted to do both, but I think I would choose one. Then I think I'll choose invoice or legal doc. But I'm thinking to develop this legal doc separately. Yeah, because I want to integrate an AI legal agent, right? That people that can serve as kind of legal practitioner or something like that, that people can actually have a conversation with, right? So that is a feature I want to have in this Lego docs. And I don't want to combine it in this app. I'll just try to make this app as simple as possible, right? So maybe I'll remove Lego docs and only have Hero voice generator, voice generator. Then this one will be creating voice. This one will be my invoice. This one will be all the invoice that have been generated, the ones in drafts and so on and so forth, right? Then Dev guide, I'm thinking also to remove it from this particular application. Let me just make the application more simpler, right? With just some unique solutions, right? I think contract generation with e-signing abilities, and uh, and an invoice generator with the feature of sending invoice from this platform to the owner, the person that need to receive the invoice, right? So This dev guide, I think I can do this separately, or maybe I'll just add it as a future feature, right? A future feature. So dev guide. Then uploads, contracts, e-sign, all these ones. Maybe I will remove them because uh, I'm not, because this upload contract is inside this place. So maybe I'll remove it. Then e-sign works automatically. Prompt library. Maybe these ones will come later on, right? Yeah. So, but these are the sidebars inside the application. So when you enter into the dashboard itself, right? And these are what you see. Yeah, so on the dashboard itself, like policing, yeah. Come to the dashboard, right? So once you click on the dashboard, you see total contracts. So these are total number of contracts agreements that have been generated, both the ones that is that are sent, the ones in draft, the ones that's awaiting signature, and the ones that, yeah, so everything is going to be in this place, right? Then you have pending signatures, contract drafts, right? Completed, invoice drafts, total invoices, right? So this one will be the invoices that's not being signed, right? Yeah, contracts that have not been signed. Yeah, completed, the ones that have been signed. So all these things will have all these back features inside, right? Then invoice, draft invoice, total invoice. So that's how it's gonna be on the dashboard, right? Then when you go to my contract is going to have, okay, on the dashboard also you have this, right? You have recent activities. Yeah, so you have that's all recent activities. And if you want to segment it, you click on contracts, it will show you only activities on contracts. When you click on invoices, it will show you only activities on invoices. This one, I don't think I'm gonna include this in this application. Then if it show you, then you can be able to view them from here, right? Yeah. Then if you click on view all contracts, it's gonna take you back to this page, to my contract page, right? Then if you view all invoices, right? It's going to take you back to my invoices, like this page, right? So on the home page, on the dashboard, then this will be the plan usage, number of, what and what, plan usage and all that. Then if you click on my contracts, generate agreements, you see my contracts, right? So on my contracts, you'll be able to view the status of your contracts, the title status, recipient, where the person that is supposed to sign or where it's being sent to, right? The dates generated, view, you can view it, you can download it, you can send it from this my contract page, and you can also delete it, right? So this status, in this status, you have drafts awaiting signature, awaiting counter signature. So this one is the other person who maybe this particular person have signed, then it will write that waiting for the other person to sign. So that's how this gonna work. Then generates agreements. The dashboard is gonna be like this. So if you enter the dashboard, you see select, enter details, review, right? Then we can choose templates. You can also upload already documents. Then the AI can, scan and analyze it and even give you feedback. Then you can go back to the home page or you can continue with the generation. So these are what I've have for now. So let's proceed to the app, right? So as time goes on, I will also include these ones. Yeah, but I've developed a comprehensive prompt that would generate all these things, everything here. I've included everything here in the prompting, so everything is gonna be generated automatically by the AI. So let's go. Let's go to Lovable and start.
Yeah, so after we must have saved our ideas inside the doc, so all we have to do is to copy it to Lorable. So we're going to copy it to Lorable and then we'll write this prompt. After writing this prompt, we'll paste everything that will be onto the rook, then we'll go ahead and send it. So Lorable is going to take care of building the application. So we'll just be modifying where necessary, right? That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead. Let's go. Okay, they made an update. Start the main deployment. Let's go. Let's. So Lorable is cooking the application.
Yeah, so I'll help you build a contract generator web app with AI integration and e-signature features. So right here, Lovable has, given us and it's writing the code already. So Lovable is writing the code already. Yeah. Landing page. Let's see. Landing page with sign up button. A dashboard with sidebar navigation, basic control interface, like and down toggle, responsive design, blah 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 for the visuals, right? Modern, I've created a modern controller. Boom. Lovable has generated the contrast, say, with a clean UI featuring Bootline. The app includes a landing page, dashboard, and control interface with a step-by-step wizard. Refine or customize, okay? Okay, let's just fix. Let's see what the problem is. Say add project knowledge, set key context, custom instructions. Okay. Okay, so we are going to connect database. Yeah. Okay. And to give to server for hand user a yeah. Okay, add the account opponent with other services. Score is the same. Okay. Okay, let's connect with Superlace. Let me add Superlace.
So when I use this, some abbreviation memo. Commit some.
It's create new organization.
Yeah, so app is here. with just a single prompt, right? But what happened is that it's giving us one of the apps feature in the landing page, right? This landing page is not supposed to have this because this legal document is a feature inside the app. So you'll still come and customize more on this landing page. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to integrate a sign. See, it's not working. So we are going to go to Superbase and then we are going to make sure that our back end is working, right? So add activate the sign in sign in feature, right? So that's all we're to do. Here. And so we're going to remove confirm email. It's man. I have connected spellers and directed sign so some no. I want you to activate it. Activate it and enable sign in page. It's sign up page. You page. Click enter. So this allow you to work on the sign in page so that we'll be able to use this button and sign in as something. So it's writing it now. So this is what our first prompt gave us. No, this one is working. It's working. So right now I'm giving it the Superbase project URL, right, to implement on the application. So let's go ahead. So it said the key has been configured in your projects, right? So let's go and test the login details. Exactly. So login and sign up is now working, right? So let's see. Okay, let's turn off the email confirmation. So we're gonna come here. Here. So creating new accounts. Boom. We are logged in right now. Okay. We are logged in, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at the upgrade button. Look at this. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, so right now we can see that our authentication sign in, sign up is working perfectly. And we are on the page, the application main page. So here we are going to add another page. This one is for contract generation, right? Our agreement generation, right? So we're going to add another page which will be the legal docs generation, right? So what we are going to do is add another sidebar page named legal docs. So we need to add legal docs here. So let's go ahead. Yeah. After that, we'll have our another feature that we're going to also add here. So to make it 3 features, right? So here we'll have all our contracts. If you log in, you have all the contracts you have generated, both agreements generation, both legal docs generation, and the other one is Dave guide, right? So we're also gonna add a page here, and I will name it Dave guide, right? So these are the 3 features that this application is going to have. Then we'll now work on each individual pages with their different features, right? So that is what we're going to do now. So you can see it's been added here, right? Yeah, so add another one called add another sidebar page called Dave Docs, Dave Guides, Dave Guides. So let's do that. So that is what we're going to do, right? So after that, yeah. Yeah, I think all the features are complete. They are. If this page is added now, that's everything is complete, right? Yes. Prompt header, prompt library, e-sign, upload contracts, legal docs, generate agreements, my contracts, then so on and so forth. Okay, there's an error here. Let's try and fix it. Let's click on fix. See what the AI tool is going to go and fix the error. So yeah, error is fixed, and we have all the features that we need to include in this application right inside. So the next thing we are going to do now is to start configuring each of these pages one after the other, right? I'm prompting this AI to build what we want each of these features to work, right? So that is what we're going to do now.